wonderful people. I'm back here talking about hair. And I just want to share with you some things that I hadn't thought about. Years ago, I actually had to cut my hair. I had to trim it, and it was about like this. It was like right here, shoulder length. It was about right here. And here's a picture of me so that you can see it. So here's me and there's my hair right there about shoulder length. And what happened was that I had been putting perm on my hair, and for some reason the perm made my hair shed a lot. So I had a lot of ends that were just they were just not they were just dry and brittle and just uneven. So the person that was doing my hair said that I just had to cut it off. Had to cut it all the way off from where it was broken, uh, at. So that was about right here. So my hair was cut like about right here, and then some people said I had like a bob. But I really enjoyed it when it was short like that. But I cut it because of the fact that the perm had just burned it, had just, made it just get all messed up. It just, like I said, it needed to be cut. And so I just want to show this picture to you again. So here's me, and here's my hair, nice and short right here. So there I am right there with that short hair. That's me. And so I noticed and I thought about for this video, just sharing with you how sometimes when your hair is a little bit unhealthy on the ends and things, you really just have to get it trimmed. It needs to be trimmed. And usually I get my hair trimmed about twice a year, I would say. So sometimes you just have to go ahead and get your hair trimmed, get it cut where those bad ends are. And when you get it cut, actually that helps it. That helps your hair to grow. So if you want to grow your hair, you might need to just get it cut, get it trimmed, and that will help it. I didn't even think about sharing that with you, but that's what happened to me when I had to get mine cut really short like that, like I just showed you in that picture. And then even now, I still get my hair trimmed about twice a year. And it's just to make sure that the ends are nice and healthy. You want your ends to be healthy. So you want to think about getting it cut short. And that will help to grow your hair as well. I always tell you about drinking water. Water, I still, it's a good thing, even not just for your hair, but for your entire body. Drinking water. And then a 1-a-day vitamin. Just one vitamin a day, is really good. Massaging your hair. So you get those, you massage your scalp, and that just kind of makes your hair feel good. Massages those hair follicles, get really, really, really kind of massaged in there, and that helps with the hair growth. But the important thing I wanted you to know about was that I get my hair trimmed. I get it trimmed twice a year. And usually it costs about $15 extra on top of what I pay for getting my hair done. And I think I told you that I pay about $85 to get my hair washed and colored, blow dried, and then flat iron. So that's what I get, the process, and that's about $85. And then when I get my hair trimmed, because I usually just do a trim now, not so much of a cut, but I do like the long layer cut, so sometimes I will get it cut into long layers. But that's an extra $15. So it'll be about $100 for me when I get my hair, as I said, washed, colored, blow dried, flat iron, and then styled. And then the trim will be the extra $15, making it $100. So that's about how much it costs. And then, like I said, twice a year is about, the amount of times that I would get it trimmed. But, you know, like if you need it, you might have to get that short style like I was showing you that I had to do years ago. And like I said, that was before I went natural. So when I was not natural, I was getting a perm. And then for some reason, I just don't remember exactly what it was that caused it to break so bad. But it was pretty bad though. I remember it. And I'm telling you, it needed a good trim so that I could get it to grow back. And so I want you to know in this video that getting your hair cut or getting it trimmed will help to grow your hair. I mean, it does. It works because you saw me in this picture. I mean, and you see, you know, how I have that short hair. My hair is right about my shoulders. And then right now, you know, you see it now. And now I don't use any chemicals though. I don't use a perm. I've been natural for, you know, I want to say I've been natural for at least 15 years. Maybe, yeah, about 15 years. Between 13 and 15 years, I've been just natural, not using anything besides the color for my hair. And so I just wanted to share with you about trimming your hair or cutting your hair to help your hair grow longer. It will help with the hair growth. And don't forget, drink lots of water, put your hands, massage your scalp. I mean, do it. You know, just, you know, take care of your hair. Take care of it. And just have fun with your hair. You know, do lots of different things with it. Check out my other videos. See some of the different styles that I have for bedtime. And check out the video that I have telling you about things, secrets to growing your hair. I would love to see you in the next video. I'm Wanda. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in the next video. As I always say, let's make footprints in this world and build a wonderful legacy. Bye.